Right, the title is not clickbait. The book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, changed my life and set me on my path to becoming a millionaire. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Robot Finance channel. As the title described, this one book named Rich Dad Poor Dad changed my life, and I will tell you everything it taught me and then how it can help you become a millionaire. Make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss anything, and smash the like button if one day you will become a millionaire. So, for those of you who are unaware of what I do, basically I am a huge affiliate marketer and business owner and a robot who loves teaching people finance and investing. As the book goes on to explain, we don't learn about how to make money work for us at school, we only learn how to work for money. Effectively, what this means is, most people learn at school and then college about getting that high-paid salary job as, say, a doctor or banker, and then find out they pay half their wages in taxes and so on, but what you don't learn is how to make money work for you. Right, let me tell you some more about making money work for you. So, to increase your net income and start making a fortune for yourself, you need to learn how to leverage your money. Not just have it all in one pot, especially if you are an employee. Right, so my first piece of advice, and something you do not learn at school, is to put 15% of your income every month into a high-interest savings account. Did you know, the average American spends $96 per month and around $1,000 per year on coffee? If instead of buying this coffee you put that exact amount into a high-interest savings account giving you an 8% return, in 40 years' time that will now be worth $312,330 tax-free. And this goes to my point, you never get taught this in school. Instead you get taught what it takes to become a tradesman or high-paid lawyer that spends $1,000 per year on coffee. Just by putting this tiny amount into a high-interest savings account, you're now making money work for you. Next, we have developing different forms of passive income. Now this is something I'm sure you've heard of before, but not quite like this. The term of passive income is money earned with little to no effort expended. Basically, you do nothing but make money, again linking back to making money work for you. You're basically earning money while you sleep, eat, and anything you do throughout the day. There are many different types of passive income. The ones I use are affiliate marketing, which is an amazing way to get this money working for you. Affiliate marketing is where you're basically the middle person. You recommend products and make money from the sale, but do not deal with complaints and return because the business hands that themselves. Another form of passive income which no one talks about is investing in startup businesses. Investing a few $100s or a few $1,000s in a startup business could one day make you passive income like you have never seen before. Imagine if you had put a tiny amount into Facebook when it first started. Now you could be sitting on millions. Your problem wondering where can I invest in startup businesses though, you stupid robot? Well, there is a website named WeFunder. I will leave a link in the description which you can sign up for free with. And also, if you're a small business or have a business idea in mind, then also sign up through the link and get people investing in you. Don't be afraid to take a risk. Like Rich Dad Poor Dad tells you, don't just settle for the 9-to-5 secure job because it's the easy option. Take risks and become successful today because time will not wait for you. When it comes to passive income, it requires some investment up front. Whether it's money or time, you will need to find out. But that's where you need to be dedicated. Most people will do it for a few months and see no return. These things take time. Let's say you put 4 years into a huge passive income technique, and after them 4 years it's now making you $5,000 per month while you sleep. That's for worth it, right? If you think no, then leave this video and enjoy putting 50 years of effort to then still be in debt and need more money. But for the small percent that stays and watches this video, I respect you, and I'm 99% sure that one day, you will be successful and make money work for you. So continue watching this video and I will teach you more. Right, I hope whoever is still watching this realizes that one day they will become a millionaire. The next thing Rich Dad Poor Dad taught me was how to value money. It teaches you how the rich and the poor both see money differently. In the book, one dad went to the University of Chicago to do his advanced studies. all on finance scholarships, and the other didn't make it through 8th grade. Guess which one the rich dad was? Wrong answer. The rich dad is actually the one who didn't make it through 8th grade. Don't worry, I said the other dad at first, and logically you would obviously think that, but what the rich dad did differently is he learned how to make money work for him and understood the value of money. We get taught how to work 8 hours a day to make someone else rich, but not ourselves. We let fear take over that we won't be able to pay the bills that month, so we just stick to the safe 9 to 5 option. Let me tell you, if you need to pay the bills that month and you're driven enough, you will find a way. The next way you can make money work for you is by investing in the stock market. Investing in a high-interest index fund or ETFs. An index fund is a portfolio of stocks or bonds designed to mimic the composition and performance of a financial market index. Not only is this a great way to create passive income and get money working for you, but it also allows to earn dividends, but more on this in another video. The stock market is a great way to earn passive income, but what I don't mean is become like a day trader that sits every day trying to time the market. Rich investors say you should always leave your money in. Over time the dips will even out and eventually normally result in a gain. Reading this book will honestly change your perception of money and live as a whole. You'd be wondering why people earning $50,000 to $100,000 per year are still broke, and that's because they don't understand money, and once again that's because we don't learn about it in school. No matter how much money you earn working for somebody, if you don't understand money you will most of the time still be broke, then asking for a pay rise, and then by doing this increasing taxes and just creating a huge never-ending cycle. But, if you understand money and how to make it work for you, even if you earn $25,000 per year and you understood money, in 40 years' time I guarantee you will have more than the person earning $50,000 to $100,000 per year. Another thing you will learn is how to view your assets. If you have the one house and you earn average money and don't understand how money works and you view your house as your greatest asset, you're so wrong. If there was another housing crash in 2008 and your house dropped by 20%, you wouldn't be in the best situation if you needed money. This makes your house now a liability, but you will learn more about this in the book. Right, this video was made to tell you about the high importance of learning about money and managing your money. The book Rich Dad Poor Dad taught me so much when it comes to finance, and I'm sure it will you too. If you would like to have a read, I will leave a link in the description for you. Honestly, learning about money is so important, and unfortunately for some reason we just do not get taught about it. So, if you could share this video to anyone interested in learning more about money and viewing money different, it would mean so much. Thanks again for watching, and remember, I upload every Monday and Friday. See you soon.